aina peta no Aitutuor kangin nese jamu nebe ebunai keun adoketait na Aboliasio ko semeroi lukoteso Patrick Okanya loda iruchokit Aitutuor kangin nese balebe erasungun aina peta noda itolosi atukotna imorkikit isemero lukasinia ko Uganda
na soditi ejedwe nguna pakine polo na yare kini elo mtu kwa nara uti coaches ara referees da ijai kesa apakine woja na officiating ata na ara ito kija dumune mwalimu eshana kenani araune referee okara kaisauni ikare kanyi kanyape dauna ngona kepa kwenye kwa ni duelu ejane iche karto mona kanyape ito mona kanyauni eroko nguna pake woja noi so ikoto angari duelu kwana ay ngarakini federations anwedu munitungani training aite oiria sia nuke chengunukere kapuka na USSA angata Aboliasio atomona akanyape
Aitutuor ngin nada ibunangeta kin apara na wongonet osabit kallo nesida enyara utere Aitutuorok kotoma doktanu kanetbo volleyball football kede akerit Godliver Apolot abwe kinton president lo atukot na mormorit isemo lukasini ako Uganda yese balebe erasinguna che kotoma inapeta nuda kapakina kesi aitolot kanu aikeuna atalantan.
This is the third time we've been having the first training took place in December, the second one took place end of January and LFM, and now this is the third. So we have over 1,500. We have brilliant as USSA to these federations, and we have been in talks with them to start recruiting these people that have been trained to start officiating and practicing these games.
Emedauna kotoma Aitutuor kangin neselo muto kotomo districtan Luimoriarto Amuria Katakwi Bukedia Soroti Serere Kalaki Kaberemaido kotoma Ochi.
Sports can expose you beyond. Sports can expose you to very many friends. Sports can make you, for the students, can make you get exposed to higher institutions of learning, even when you were not meant to go to such institutions. So can we embrace sports?
Patrick Emokor Apollo Kinton no Ashoman Kosoroti City Yesi Lipit Emedauna Kotoma Aitutuor kangin Anebe Ibuakina Napeta Ngun Thomas Wamisoit.
These instructors are on the stage. Participants, they are on the stage. They are going to take this country up to somewhere, and time will come, they will leave the stage. And what they are fighting for as they leave, what is on the ground? And that's why you're here, and that's why I'm praying that take it very keenly, get those skills, get those talents, and be able to relate to our students back at home.